am installing this wig that I got from Asteria. This is the hair right here. So this is a 20-inch Kinky straight. As you can see, Kinky straight 5x5 lace closure wig and 180 density. So it's really thick. You can like see how thick it is. It looks like it from the Addams Family, like Cousin It. Like it's just a whole thing of like hair. But yeah, this is the wig right here. And so let me show you the inside. So it says 5x5, but you do have all of this lace that goes like here, and clearly that's longer than 5 inches. I think, yeah, that's longer than 5 inches. So you have that, and then it goes like this far back. You do have a elastic band on the inside, and that's it. So this wig does not have any combs or anything. It just has this elastic band, which you can detach. Before we get into the video, I'm just going to show you what came in the box. Asteria upgraded their boxes because let me tell you, I just used to get like a little green bag from them, but now they got a box, honey. Look at this. But yeah, all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. And inside, they gave us some lashes. And this is that bag I was talking about. The hair used to just only come in this dust bag, but now I got a box and I'm excited. A wig band, a wig. It comes with this wig cap and an edge brush. So let's go ahead and get into the video. All right, so I'm going to use the wig cap that they provided to install this wig because it's like a transparent wig cap. I was going to use my handy dandy thicker wig cap because it's a darker color, but I'm like, let me see what a transparent wig cap looks like with, if I can get it open. I wanted to see what a transparent wig cap looks like with this kind of wig. I never use these transparent wig caps. Like I always save these for my frontal wig installs. But since I have a whole bunch of them now I can just start doing whatever. So this is the transparent wig cap. And I'm just sliding it on my head. For my wig cap, I'm just using Got To Be Free spray, and I'm spraying it along just the front portion of my hairline, not the whole thing. Kind of like as wide as the opening for the closure was on the wig, because this is not a frontal wig obviously, so I'm not going to put it all the way down. Now I'm just taking my scissors and cutting off the excess wig cap. So let me tell y'all, I actually remembered this time that I was out of cream makeup, right? And I go to Walmart to try to find the same brand and the same cream makeup. And of course they didn't have it. The one time I remember that I need it and I go looking for it, they don't have it. So, and I'm like, I looked for another cream makeup and I just didn't see any at the Walmart I was at personally. So I'm like, okay. I don't feel like going anywhere else, so I'm just gonna have to keep digging in these corners until I can find this makeup or another cream makeup. But at least I remembered. But yeah, so I'm just coloring now, the front coloring. I guess this is coloring. Is it coloring? Yeah, I'm just applying the makeup. I guess it's applying. I'm applying the makeup to the wig cap. I'm gonna take the same makeup and I'm gonna put on the front of the lace. Just like right here, along like the edges too. Just so it's like not white. And so another thing is this wig, I think I have to leave this wig band on because when I tried it on earlier, it felt like it was a little loose. So I'm actually gonna leave the wig band on and I'm gonna tighten it just to help this wig stay like flat on my head. Since this is a glueless install. All right, cool. And the wig is kind of loose in the back, honestly. But this hair is so long, I guess you can't tell. But as you can see, like it lifts in the back here. And what's holding it on is actually this strap. So the strap is actually saving this wig right now. Because This wig is big. All right, so first thing I'm gonna do is determine where my part is gonna be, which is gonna be right here in the middle. I'm just doing a simple middle part. And then I'm also gonna do my edges, because with this glueless wig, as you like, if you can see, like it kind of lifts on the sides. You know, that doesn't look cute, right? So I have to use like edges and stuff to help lay it down. So that's what I'm doing. I think I'm gonna do 2. Almost as if this was like a glueless frontal install. And for my edges, I'm just using my black Eco Style gel as per usual. All right, and we're back in black and ready to attack. So I decided that I'm going to be curling this hair, but because this hair is so thick, I usually like to flat iron it first before curling it. But I decided I'm gonna stop being a wimp, and I'm just gonna use my curling iron and try to like really curl my hair correctly. So to do that, I have to really section this hair off and do like some pin curls. So that is gonna take me a little minute, but it's fine because we got all day. So I'm just sectioning off my hair, and I'm taking like small little sections like this. My face is greasy. That's how long I've been at this. But now it's time to go ahead and start taking these out so we can see the finished product. I'm just starting from the bottom. I know my door is open. It wasn't open in the last frame. I really don't care. It's hot. I need my bathroom to air out. Okay. So it is what it is. Taking this off, whew, because I need to like adjust everything. Get my hot and comb, lay this down. Now I gotta take it from here. Ooh. Remember, it's like still glueless, so I gotta be careful not to tug too hard. Out pretty. Hold on. I guess it was worth it. Let me spray it, y'all. Let me spray it with some spritz. I'm afraid these curls will fall, and I don't want them to fall. So it looks like the pain and suffering was worth it. All right, so get into these curls. Yes. It looks super thick. 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 So overall, I really like how thick this hair is and the texture. It really, really looks very natural. Like you can see the texture in the hair. And it's really thick and soft and full and really, really cute. But all the information for this hair will be in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Adios till next time.